Alright guys, we're working on the Silverado again. So basically what's going on is these rear passenger windows are allowing wind to come in and water during car washes. So what I did is I bought some pieces online and I'm going to show you how to change them. You're going to put your little screwdriver right there, pop it out, and grab a pair of snap ring pliers and you're going to push. You could take this off if it makes it easier. And you're gonna pop it out like that. So when you look at the new ones have holes on both sides, the old ones have a filled inside, but if you look at them, they're slightly smaller, not by much, but just enough where it's supposed to squeeze the window a little bit tighter. And I'll post a link where you can buy these off eBay. They're like 30 bucks. So when you get your new one, you pop your window back in like this. And remember, it's going to catch on the inside and pull out. So you pop this in there. Let's see, actually might be easier to put it in like this. So you stick your snap ring pliers back in here. Okay, it's back in. Then you're just gonna pop it back in there and squeeze it on.